Hi, friends. Welcome to Aldi Sneak Peek for August the 2nd through August the 8th. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe. The Clever Factory Jumbo Ready to Learn Workpad, $6.99. So this one comes with 128 colorful pages, 200 plus stickers, and age 5 and up is the recommended age. Three-piece character backpack set, $14.99. So that's the backpack, the lunchbox, and a pencil holder. Great deal for $14.99. Hinkler Pool Tab Book, $4.99. So they have it in the phonics and the spelling. Absolutely love these. And $4.99, you're not going to beat it, guys. Zuru Fidget Cube or Spinner, $4.99. Raspberry Hug-a-Pet Large Huggable Plush, $9.99. So cute. Spin Master Puzzle Pack or 10, $4.99. Children's Character Canvas Shoes, $8.99. Huntington Home All-in-One Nap Mat, $14.99. Look like it's going to come in three different patterns. Huntington Home two-tier organizer, $14.99. I purchased one of these at a different place, but exactly the same thing, two-tier organizer. And trust me, it was way more than $14.99. So this is another great find, guys. Huntington Home stackable storage bin, $9.99. Pembroke Classroom or Family Board, $6.99. Huntington Home 2-pack collapsible cubes, $4.99. Huntington Home 6-pack drawer organizers, $7.99. 6-pack, guys, that's a lot for $7.99. Oh my goodness. This three-tier rolling cart is $24.99. Another great find. This velvet office chair is $59.99. Hard to Tell Portable Travel Pet Playpen, $14.99. Now, this is just too cute. Oh my goodness. Hard to Tell Bolstered Crate Mat, $16.99. Hard to Tell Floating Pet Toy Assortment, $4.99 each. Oh my goodness, just shut the front door. Guys, look at this one. Hard to Tell Pet Bathrobe. $4.99. Oh my goodness. I've seen it all. Oh my goodness. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. Hard to Tell 15-pound pet food container, $9.99. It also comes with the scoop. Hard to Tell modern cat activity tree, $19.99. Hard to Tell pet auto waterer, $14.99. Hard to Tell 3-in-1 pet bathing system, $14.99. Oh my goodness. How convenient is this, guys? Oh my goodness. This is a wonderful item to have. $14.99. A lot of different attachments, and oh, I just can't say enough about it. I've never purchased this before. My first time seeing this at Aldi, but I'm sure it is wonderful. And I can't wait for you guys to let me know about it. Okay, Easy Home Spray Mop, $14.99. Hard to Tell Pet Hair Broom Set, $9.99. Corded Pet Stick Vacuum, $29.99. Wahlburgers Fresh Gourmet Blend Angus Beef Burgers, $6.99. And Never Any Fresh Lamb Loin Chops, $8.99 per pound. And on this one, guys, it says while supply lasts. So just so that you know that. Okay, well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for stopping by. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you all here. Alrighty, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday for the store walkthrough. Have a good one.